Hey guys, it's your favorite teen vegan chef, LaChef, and today is Travel Tuesday. So I am here at my favorite vegan Jamaican restaurant, Chelsea's, and I am here to taste some delicious food, and I'm about to ask a few questions. Okay, so today we're here with Miss Althea from Chelsea's, and I'm going to ask her a few questions about my favorite vegan Jamaican restaurant.
By the way, you guys are our favorite customers too, so
Thank
put that in there.
you.
So we appreciate you guys coming and purchasing the food and everything else from us when the day comes. But yeah, good to have you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's good to be here.
Well, right now our special that the customers love is mac and cheese and lasagna. That's a dish we serve Thursday to Sunday, and a lot of customers come from different places, a lot of distance just to get that. Yes.
Whoa. Or like your favorite food from this restaurant.
Okay, my favorite food would be the kale, the lemon, and all of the vegetables that we cook. Pumpkin, okra, and eggplant. Those are things that I grew up on, so I like those. So I continue eating them.
Ooh. Yes. Okay, so this cuisine that I made up was inspired by you guys.
Okay.
So one day I wanted Jamaican food, but then I wanted Asian food.
Okay.
So I mixed up Asian and Jamaican spices and vegetables, and I made Jamaican food.
Oh, okay.
So
Jamaican food.
it is, and it's so good. I made a Jamaican stir fry. I put it on top of like this rice, and this pad thai sauce. It was so good.
That's good. Very creative.
Thank you. So I think I'm gonna have a taste because I'm so hungry.
Definitely.
Okay, so what should I start with?
Start with the lemon and the sweet and sour sauce flavor with the lamb, soya lamb.
Okay, so I'm gonna taste the lo mein and the sweet and sour.
Okay. You like that one?
Yes. It's so good and it's so bright. You can taste the crunchiness from the vegetables, which is exactly what I like.
That's great.
I just feel so happy right now. And I just want to thank you so much for the food and the restaurant, my favorite. And the food is so good. And I know I didn't mention this, the juice bar. My favorite from there is with the carrot, ginger, apple, or pineapple, and cucumber. And I get that a lot. It's so good.
Thank you.
And we used to make like fresh juices at home. So that just brought me back home. So I just want to thank you so much, and I want you guys to come and check it out. And it's going to be worth it. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's good to see you and have you here too.
Good to see you too.
All right. You guys enjoy.
Oh my goodness, that was so good. Yeah, I'm coming back.